Hello, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim. Today I have for you a 15-minute add-on workout. Please check before you start, there's nothing you're going to trip over, dogs, cats, children. If you're wearing bare feet, nothing sharp to stand on. A little bit of space. You don't need much space above your head, but just enough to reach your arms here, just about to this sort of height. And 2 steps each way will be enough space. Let's get started. Taking the legs nice and wide, you start on the right, your toe taps a tap. 8 more. Let the arms swing naturally to the other side. So lifting those toes up, giving some movement in the ankles. Take it to heel raises, alternating sides, lifting lower. Bend those knees slightly, right and centre to the left, and centre, and centre. So watch down, have a quick look down and see where your feet are. The toes are pointing outwards, knees are roughly above the ankles. So make sure your legs are wide enough. Let's take it to the bend. So just a small bend now, so we're just warming up. Think about your posture. Bottoms tucked under, tummy's pulled in. And keep breathing. Just get a little bit of warmth through the legs. Okay, we're going to bend and point, so you bend and lift. We're starting off gently today, really hot day here today, or compared with what we've been used to. So we're going across the body. Taking a bit higher. I'm taking the arm across in front of the face. Come back centre. You bend. Bend it through. Just a little march it through. We're going to start with a march on the next track and we're going to add on movement. So I'm going to do one movement, add another one on. So let's just start with a gentle march, get some warmth up, pretty arms. So swinging those arms, shoulders are nice and relaxed. Shoulder roll. Comb the hair. Lifting those feet up and putting them down gently. Let's go to a side step this time. So the arm movement goes out to the side. Just taking the arms about as high as shoulder height. Try and keep those shoulders dropped and relaxed. Let's go back to the mark. Comb. I'm going to ask you to move over to your left slightly to make sure you've got enough room to the right, because we're going to be doing a double step shortly. Let's go to those single steps first. So if the arms are too much, your shoulders are starting to burn already, then take the movement down. Let's take it to a double step. This time let's swing with the arms. So this move, again, arm movements can be left down if you want to make it easier. The bigger the steps, the harder you're going to work. So if you want to make it easier, you can also make them smaller. Let's go back to that march. And again, if you don't like this comb and hair movement, hurt your arms, just march it through with the arms like this, that's fine too. More important to keep moving, getting our step count up, getting our body working. Let's step to the side. Singles. Ready for that double step. Let's take it to double. And a swing and pull. Now our next move is going to be a grapevine. If you can't do the grapevine, don't worry, stick with the double side step and the change arms. So let's start with the grapevine. Let's do it slower. Step, behind, step, together. Step, step behind, step, be together. Up to time. Letting the arms swing gently, just give you a little bit of a rest here. Ready, back to the march. Comb and hair. So we're going to wait for the music to come on. Just pick up the beat. A little bit faster now, keep breathing. Sides. This is a test of our memories. What comes next? Double steps, swing with the arms. Really pulling back with the arms, speeding up the back of the arms. Let's take it to double side step. So grapevine even. Whoa, join me with the grapevine when you can. Just swinging those arms, let them rest out. Next one, I'm going to add something to the grapevine. On the end, we're going to take it out. 2, 3, 4. Grapevine, 1, and out. 3, 4. Grapevine back. 2. Grapevine or double step if you prefer. Arms come out to the side. Grapevine. Out to the side. Grapevine. And again, the bigger you do it, the harder you're going to work. Let's march it through with the hair. So moving across this time to the right hand side of the room, because we're going to do our steps to the left. Let's side step. Don't worry if you're on the other foot. Ideally you want to try and even things up both ways. There's not much change in this routine. This is more about working the brain as well. Be ready for that double step this time to the left. Those arms swing, and pull, and pull. Then it goes into grapevine. Next time, 2 on the end. Hold it here, side to side. Right back into the middle of the room or slightly to the left. Let's just march it through. Pick up the beat, right, left, right, left. So try and join me on the same foot. Right, left, right, left. Take you through the arms now. I'm going to take you through the next add-on here. This is a lot faster, so you're going to have to take the moves a lot smaller when we do the full add-on routine. So let's take it 2 forward, 2 back. So what I'm doing is coming forward, come back, dropping down, coming back. Take it wide at the front, together at the back. So wide, wide, together, together, box step. Taking it up to speed. Tap change, so this time left, right. Tap change to the right, right, left. Next time we're going to tap change on the left. Left. Tap change two this time. So right, left. One more. Tap change. Tap change. Singles, right and left. Don't worry again, if you haven't quite got this, just keep marching on the spot, ideally with a box step. So the shoulders should be nice and relaxed, just swinging. You're ready to march it through with those arm swings. Single side step to the right, side arms. You're going to make sure you've got a bit of space to your right to move, so shift along if you need to. Double step. With a swing with the arms, and forward. Taking it to the grapevine. Next time we're going to do the double toes out to the side, touch, grapevine, touching out. Last one, hold it here, touching out, alternate sides. 4, 3, into that box step, we're going to immediately take it right there, step change. So don't worry if you're not on the same leg as me. And if it's too much to do the tap change, stay on one side, try and change halfway through. Oh, well done. We're going to start taking it down a bit now. So make those movements a little bit smaller. Yeah. So I'm slowing the arms down, legs stay fast. Keep those feet a little bit lower now. Side step, side arm. Let's change it slightly, take the foot across, swing with the arms. Four, 3, 2, side steps, 2, and 4. Keep it small here. Don't forget anytime you need to grab a sip of water. And as it's a warm day today, it might not be when you're watching it, but today it is here. Make sure you rehydrate after the workout. It might only be 15 minutes. You are going to sweat. I hope you're going to sweat. Are you ready to grapevine? Step, cross, step, together. You can do it up to speed if you're happy with the move. Okay. So you can keep it slow or you can speed it up. Let's take that toe tap out. Last one. Single toe taps out to the side. Shoulders are nice and relaxed and just letting the arms swing across in front. 4, 3, we're going to do the box step. Right, left, right, left, back, tap, change. You can do it up to speed if you want. If you need to catch your breath, take it nice and slow. I'm going to keep it slow because we're beginning to cool the body down now. Time to get used to this box step, tap, change move if you're not used to it. taking it too high here. Lifting the knees up. Now let's try a little bit of balance. Lift and hold. Holding that core in. Lift and hold. Core down. Just nudge. I'll turn side, but you can stay facing me so you can see what I'm doing. Take that foot out behind. So really think about what's going on with your core here. I don't want you sort of arching your back. You're just tapping them way behind. 4, 3. And we're going to take that right leg behind. I want both feet parallel, pointing forward. So just check that back foot that it's not turned out to the side. Back leg is straight, front knee is bent. Knee is above the ankle. I'm going to lean on that leg. Feel the stretch in the calf. So let's just lift. Lift and lower. 4, 3, 2. Let's hold it again. And a nice stretch through that calf, that head in line. Nice straight line from the top of the head through to that ankle. If you're struggling with your balance, take your feet wider this way. So if you're in a straight line like that, quite uneven. Here, you're going to be a bit wider. You're going to get a bit better balance. Well done. Change. The other leg back again. Watch that both feet are pointing forward, knees above the ankle, so you're not letting the knee shoot forward over the toes. Getting that stretch. Lift and lower that back heel, not turning it, so you can see lift. Watch that flat back foot. Both feet should be parallel. And hold. Under. So you're pushing this hip forward, feeling a stretch across the hip. Feel down. Feel down. Forward. Feel down. Forward. Feel down. Forward. So the hips directly above the knee, you're pushing forward and feeling that stretch. Well done. Change sides. Goes back. My knee is above the ankle of the front foot. Hold it forward, tuck under and push. Little stretch through. Well done, that's all for this week. I'll see you in the next workout. Bye for now.